Hi, to add Ringtone to contact on iPhone, as a first step, go ahead and find your Contacts app. Now I'm gonna pick all of my contacts and find a person to which I wanna set their own ringtone. I'm gonna select it and then click Edit button on top, scroll a bit down and pick this section Ringtone. And now from default option, you can switch to any other from the list. For example, this one. And click Done to save changes. Also, if you want to set custom ringtone, then you can go in Tone Store and here buy any song you want to, because here you'll see only non-free options. Additionally, you can change haptics for this person, which is vibration, and enable emergency bypass, which allows sounds and vibrations from this person even when the ring switch is set to silent or when a focus is on, which could be really helpful as well. And of course, click Done to save all of the changes. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.